Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. What's up? Today I'm here with another haul video. And I'm happy that you guys tuned in. But yeah, so today's, as you can see from the title, today's haul will be from Fashion Nova. It's been a while since I done a Fashion Nova haul. Has it really been? I don't recall, but I think it has. But yeah, so I recently uploaded the get ready with me video to this whole look here, the hair and the makeup. So if you're interested to see that slay, go ahead and check out the link in my description box. It's now live on my channel. So yeah, as I said, today it's kind of like, it's like a random haul that I did. It really wasn't like a specific, like I wasn't necessarily shopping for more casual stuff or more gym wear stuff or more like going out kind of clothes. I kind of just saw things and grabbed things, and that was it. Yeah. Right now the first outfit that I'm gonna show you, I already have it on, and I know the hair color is throwing it off. I know I would never wear this hair color with this outfit. It's a lot purple, and no, it just wouldn't work. But I really love the material. This material has been trending in like the whole gym wear aspect. It's really nice. I have a couple leggings in this material. It's comfortable, it's quad proof, it's easy to flex in. This is a whole onesie set, so I don't have anything like that to go to the gym. Now I'm still contemplating if I really gonna wear this to the gym, because this is like, it's like a dress up gym vibe for me, even though when I'm going to the gym I love to look good, so I don't care. But I don't know, I feel like you can wear this to the gym, you can wear this if you're going to the airport, if you're going, like, you have a trip, airport slay kind of vibe. I know some females love that gym vibe. You could even wear this if you're going shopping, you want that sporty look. Wear this with a nice cute pair of sneakers. It's a two-piece, so you could definitely remove the top here if you don't want all of that going on, and you could just wear this portion beneath it. Yeah. For this one, this is the Remedy for Everything Romper, and I got this in the color mocha. Of course, this is a size small. Now this is too big for me. I should have gotten like a extra small. It's too big, like in the waist area, so I'm going to have to get this altered. I really like the calm vibes. It's very simple, very casual. You can throw this on if you're going to the store to grab something. You can dress it up with a sneaker, like for a little simple casual occasion. It's not really a dress up kind of vibe romper at all. I would not wear this out to like an important event. It's just kind of to lounge around in and just feel comfortable. The material is very soft and it's very comfortable, so I like that. So for the next piece, the third piece, this is a show off striped jumpsuit. I love this one. Once I saw the colors, it grabbed me to it. I don't know, I love the way they place the lines, and I love getting jumpsuits. Actually, they're just kind of like, once you can find a good jumpsuit, you could pretty much dress that up and go to like a nice event. You can go to dinner, date night, dress up kind of lunch date. You can go to brunch in it. It's like, jumpsuits are just so nice once you find like one that you really like. Yeah, so I really love this one. I got it in size small. I love the little detail with the tie, the portion that I can tie in the front. It zips up in the back, and I like the little scoop in the front with it also. It's really nice. It's really nice. So it hugs the body really nicely as well, so I like that. It's very form-fitting. This one is not like, the only thing, I'm short, I'm 5'1", so it's a little bit like what you would say scrunched in the midsection for me, as opposed to if a taller person was wearing it, it will be more, I guess, like elongated. So that's the only thing. So guys, I actually made a bit of a mistake. The first jumpsuit that I showed you, which was royal blue, that one is not Take Me to Miami. This that I have on is Take Me to Miami jumpsuit. The one that I had on first, that is Get It Together jumpsuit, and that's royal blue. Forgive me. So this is Take Me to Miami. Yeah. this is it. I love this. Of course, I don't know if you guys know, but I do love anything olive. Really love the shade. I don't know what it is, but I'm just always drawn to it. Of course, I got everything in size small. This fits perfectly. It's simple, but okay, on the top is simple, but as you get to the bottom, that's what grabbed me. I ain't gonna lie, because if it was just all together one simple thing, I probably wouldn't get it, because I already got a very simple romper, which so this one has some style. I love the cuts in the leg portion and the ruffle action. Love that. Love it. At the very like foot portion, it has that cut that's trending. Like you see a lot of pants with this cut and such, so it has that nice little slit, so when you have on your heels, it looks cute. It's a nice little sway away, like a nice little cutout area. It's cute, you know. It's a nice little touch to the bottom of this romper, so that definitely grabbed me. It has that. It's simple, but it has style, it has swag, and it's cute, so I got it because of that. It fits perfectly. As I said, I definitely don't have a need to alter this or anything. You could pair this with, you know, like how I had the first jumpsuit, you could pair this with like a hoodie if you want. If you know, it depends on the occasion. I'd say if you're gonna dress this up, the most I dress this up for is like probably drinks. Yeah, you could go shopping in this, you know. It all depends on your vibe and how you want to style it. Yeah, this next one that I have on is the Fierce Lover crop top. Now this one is a little bit too big for me, and I'm so sad, because oh yeah, this actually, I don't know why I was wearing it like a crop top, like off the shoulder, but you could do it like that, or I'd probably wear it down like this. I don't know. This look a little bit more like, you know, edgy. Maybe I'd wear it down like that. I don't know. But yeah, this is a Fierce Lover crop top. I got it in a size small, and it's too big, so I needed like an extra small. I believe they had an extra small, but I was double guessing. Should never double guess, because see, I know I'm gonna regret to get that size there. I should have gotten it smaller, because it's a top. It can you know. But I love it. I love leopard print so much, so sometimes I have to hold myself from leopard print stuff, because I tend to like, when things have print, I don't really like to wear them twice, because the print is so noticeable. So if I have a specific clothing in like leopard print, if I wear it back, it's going to be a long time. I really love the material. Self-explanatory, has that sheer kind of vibe. I like the gather in the sleeve, like the elastic band. It has 2 elastic band in each sleeve, and it has cups in the bra area, the breast area, hooks in the back. It's cute, you know. This goes well with a nice pants. It doesn't necessarily have to be jeans, but if that's what you want to pair it with, fine, it will go well with that too. Again, you could wear this out for drinks, you could wear this out for dinner, lunch, you know. You could wear this out to an event. It depends on the event though, because this is like, you know, more you could go to a party in this. Yeah, that's it for this top. Let's move on to the next. This is the final piece for today's haul. It's the throwback body denim top. I got this in small, and it just has a hook in the front. I really like the detail. It's, yeah, as I said, throwback. It gives me vintage vibes, and then I love the simplicity. It's not a lot going on, but it's cute, and I feel like I could pair this with a cute like pants. I'm not sure what exactly I'm gonna put it with yet. It gives me casual vibes, definitely, because of the denim. It fits okay. It could be a little tighter for size small, but I realized that for some things like these kind of tops, I feel like I'll have to really start going extra small on them, because they just don't fit as snug as I'd like sometimes for the kind of style that they are too. That's the only con. Like, you have to go through the hassle sometimes to go and alter the piece, and that's just too much work. I also like the print, you know. Yeah, that's the vibe. It has this little metal portion here in the front, and that's how you open and close it. And yeah, I didn't get the shorts in this haul, by the way. It's from Fashion Hole, but I got it some time ago. So yeah, that's how that is. Yeah guys, that's the final piece for today's haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you think about this haul. I really like the pieces that I got for this one, even though some of them are very simplistic. I really like the pieces I got for. I didn't even remember about that I had this haul. Honestly, I kind of forgot about what I got, and seeing them now and trying them on, I'm like, oh, okay. I really enjoyed doing this haul for you guys. Let me know if you enjoyed it by giving the video a thumbs up, also leaving your thoughts in the comment section. Let me know what other hauls you want to do. Comment some sites down below that you'd like for me to try out, like to see me do try on hauls for them for. And don't forget to check out my other videos. As usual, you guys know I upload very frequently, so stay tuned to my channel and subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Turn on your post notification bell so you know every time I upload. Also follow me on Instagram, because sometimes you don't always get the notification on time even when you turn on the bell. So follow me on Instagram, it's on the screen. I post every single time when I upload. Okay, also I have a vlog channel, PETITE-SUE TV. That's where I upload just vlogs, so go ahead and check that out to keep up with me as well. And that's it for today. So until my next video, just go and make up on yourself, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.